How's it going, everyone? This is DJ. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the full potential of your Fire TV device so you can easily install apps that are not available in the Amazon App Store. These apps will give you access to free movies, TV shows, sports, news, and so much more. So without any further ado, grab your remote and let's get right to it. Now, before we begin, first I would like to clarify that we're not jailbreaking the Fire Stick. It's just a term that everybody uses. All we're doing here is enabling the Fire Stick to sideload apps that are from sources other than the Amazon App Store. Alright, with that out of the way. Now in this video I'm going to be using the Fire TV Cube 3rd Gen, but this will work on any Fire TV device except of the Fire TV Stick 4K Select or the Fire TV HD, which was released in 2026. Those run Vega OS, which is based on Linux, and it doesn't allow sideloading. Alright, now the first thing we need to do here is go to the magnifying glass. We need to get an app first. We're going to scroll down, and you're going to start typing in downloader. As soon as you start typing in a couple of letters, as you can see, you already found the results. It's very popular. We're going to click on it. It'll be the first one over here. You don't want to install one of the other ones. Those are imposters. They don't work the same. So you just gotta click on it. And for me, it says download, you own it. For you, it will say get it, it's free. Just gotta click on it. It's gonna download and install, and then it's gonna launch it. Here, you're gonna make sure you click on allow. And now we're just gonna press the home button on the remote first. Alright, now here we're gonna go to the left of the 3 lines over there. This menu pops up. Scroll down to your settings. Click on there. And here we're going to go down and go to My Fire TV. Click on there. Now, we want to enable developer options. If you don't have developer options, all you got to do is go to About. Click on there. And where it says Fire TV Cube for me, for you it may say Fire TV Stick or Fire TV 4K. You're just going to click on it 7 times. And once you start clicking on it 7 times, you're going to get a countdown. And then you will see the message that says no need, you're a developer. Alright, now you're going to press the back button. You're going to see developer options here. Click on it. Go down to install unknown apps. Click on there. And you're going to see downloader in there. All you got to do is click on it. And that's it. Now you can press the home button on the remote. Here we're going to go down to our apps. Look for a downloader. You're going to launch it. And in here, we're going to go to the top over here. Now, you can enter in here a URL, a shortcode, or search term. We're going to be using a shortcode, so I'm going to go to the pound sign on the right here. It brings up the numeric keyboard instead of the full keyboard. So you just gotta click on it. And in here, you want to enter the following code. It will be 270 74 70. And once you type it, go down where it says next, click on there. It's going to bring you to my website over here. And this is my downloads page. Now, I will recommend adding this to your favorites and do that with any website that you frequently use. This way, when you add this to your favorites, next time you want to install another app or visit that website, you don't have to try to remember what the code was or what the actual URL was. All you got to do is press the 3-line button of the remote, go to Add Current Page to Favorites, click on Save. And then the next time you launch the downloader app, all you got to do now is press the 3-line button again, go to Favorites, and you will see the list of your favorites in there. Just click on it. And we'll load that page right away. Or you can go to the left over here, bring that side window over here, go down to favorites, click on it, and you will see a list of your favorites in here. Then you just click on the page and it will bring you right there. Now feel free to browse through my website over here. You will see there's plenty of different categories, a lot of different apps in here. I'm sure, depends on what you're looking for, you will find an app in here that will suit your needs. And then once you're done browsing over here, if we go straight back up again, to install something in here, All you gotta do is find the app that you're looking for. Now you can click on the download link over here, or you can just click on the thumbnail. Both of them are the same thing. So we're gonna install Aptoide TV over here. This is another app store that has a lot of Android apps that you're not gonna find in the Amazon App Store. So you're just gonna click on it. It's gonna stage the file for you. You have to do nothing right now. And now you just gotta click on install here. And now that it's done installing, you want to make sure you click on done here. You don't want to open the app yet. Click on done. And now you want to delete the installation file. You don't need that anymore. After you're done installing any apps that you want to install, then if you press the home button on the remote, and you go down to your apps and channels, the apps that you just installed will be at the end over here. And as you can see, here's Aptoide. And depending on the apps that you installed, like for example, Aptoide over here, there's going to be another setting that you need to enable and also allow some permissions. So if we launch it, I'm going to click OK here. Here you want to make sure you click on allow. And then once it loads, first you want to press the home button on the remote. And you got to go back to your settings. Click on there and go to My Fire TV. And because this is another app store and you're installing apps from unknown sources, you need to go to developer options again, like we did with the downloader app. Click on install unknown apps, find the Aptoide TV, click on it, and that's it. All right, and now you can just launch Aptoide TV, browse it over there, and install any app that you want from in there. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you turn the standard Fire TV stick into a much more powerful streaming device. You can now install all kinds of different apps like movies, TV shows, sports utilities, and so much more. All right, I think that should cover pretty much everything. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will answer everybody's question as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. It does let YouTube know you like what I do here, and it does help my channel grow. Thank you for watching. This is DJ. Till next time.